Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to your home. Okay? Guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys, that's right, how to make my chicken and rice burrito wrap. Okay? These are the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need 2 cups, a cup and a half of pepper jack cheese. You're going to need a box of this Spanish rice. You're going to need some onions, some bell peppers, and I only use like a quarter of each of those. I already did that and I already put all that stuff together. I cooked all this stuff right here already. That's in here. And you're going to need for this also, you're going to need some of this diced tomatoes with green chilies and all that stuff right here. Alright? You're going to need that. You're going to need my special seasoning, my taco seasoning that I made up. I will leave you a link over here to this. I put a tablespoon of this in here. And when it got close to being done, I put this diced whatever this is. Whatever this is. Anyway, I put this in there. And the onions and bell peppers and stuff, like when it was close to being done. Alright? So, that's this right here. I already made it up and let it cool down and all that good stuff. And that's that right there. Alright? And it tastes phenomenal. Alright, you're going to need your chicken breast. You can use 2 or 3 of them. I'm using 2 today. We're just going to sear that up. Right here is my soft tortilla. Right here. So I might be doing about 4 or 5 of these. Maybe about 4. So I'm going to take you guys over there. But before then, before I go over there, I'm going to show you what I put that seasoning on here. I put a tablespoon of this taco seasoning on this chicken. And I put half a teaspoon of chipotle seasoning right here. Alright? On here. Alright, now we need some butter and we need some olive oil. And we're going to go ahead and sear this up, guys. See you guys over there in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. Just going to put some olive oil in here. It's probably like a tablespoon of that. I'm running out of olive oil, so I'm going to have to get some more. Yeah. If I can use some of this mist though. Yeah, this right here. If you're hearing that noise. So, that's that. And we're going to come in here with some butter. So this is going to be like a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of butter. Alright. Alright. Get that around up in here. I'm on medium heat, fam. Gonna take our chicken breast. Lay those in there. Just like so. And we're going to cook this chicken about 2 minutes on each side. Okay? Well, we're going to do about 3 minutes. I'll just say 3 minutes on each side. Alright? I'll show you when it's time to flip it in a minute, guys. Okay, fam, I'm back. I'm going to check this chicken. Flip it over. You see I would like to rotate the grease, just like so. You're just going to let it cook for about 2 or 3 minutes on that side. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. And you do want to take your chicken and like sear them on each side and all that stuff too as well. So this is all I'm doing. I'm going to sear it on each side. I just wanted to let you know that. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. You always want to let your chicken rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes before you cut into it, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and start chopping on this now. I'm going to wait to get some of this. Alright, put that to the side. Do this other one. Alright, go ahead and start setting this stuff up. And I see you guys. Well, this I'm to show you that up close. That's how that looks. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Let's go ahead and start putting this chicken and rice burrito wrap together. Alright? We're going to take our Kobe Jack cheese. I'm our pepper jack cheese. I don't know why I keep saying Kobe. We're just going to put that in here. I don't know why I put it all the way over there for. Like that. Take our chicken, much as you want. Now, if you had some pico de gallo, I will leave you guys a link to that. That would be awesome. Take our rice. Alright, so it's like what, 3 tablespoons of that. Take this and like pull it back to you like that. You take these ends, wrap it up like so, and just pull it to you. Just like that. Okay? Now, what we're going to do is take some foil, just like so. Put a little butter or olive oil on it if you want to. So we're just going to put a little bit on there, like so. We're going to wrap these bad boys up. Alright, and we're going to pop these bad boys in the oven, and we're going to cook them for about 15 minutes. Alright, see you guys in a minute after I get through wrapping all these up. Okay fam, I'm back. I got at least 6 of these bad boys out of there, and they're going to be off the chain. And I will cut one open for you guys, okay? So, I'm going to cook this for about good, I know I said 15 minutes, but I'm going to cook these for about good 20 minutes. On 350 degrees. And I'll see you guys after that. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm finally done with this chicken and rice burrito wrap. I'm going to show you that up close. It's too hot for me to be touching it, so I don't want to burn my hands. So that's how that looks up here. Alright. Yep, and I did let it cook for about 25 minutes. I thought it was going to be 20 minutes, but it cooked for like 25 minutes. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up because I'm ready to eat. Okay guys, if you like this video, please give me a like and a share. And please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that bell for just like that. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. Much love. Happy cooking.